So, if you're into premium audio devices, you will be familiar with the name Beyerdynamic. Now, their studio quality headphones are go-to for all the professionals, but those are on the expensive side. So, back in 2018, when they launched an earphone in a budget category, it was bound to get attention, and so it did. Yes, we are talking about the Beyerdynamic Beatbird, the cheapest earphone in their lineup. So, does it live up to the reputation of Beyerdynamic and do justice to its price? We'll find out in this video. Hey everyone, my name is Parth, you're watching InfoPal, and let's roll the intro. So let's start with the build quality first, which is really good. The rubberized texture on the earphone is really soft. The wires are relatively thick, which contributes to two things. One, it makes the wire sturdy, and two, it makes the wire tangle free. The only tangle you will see in this earphone is the individual wires for the left and right ear channel. The plastic used in the ear piston are of very good quality. The overall build quality is really great and definitely do justice to the price. Now fit and comfort wise, I should tell you upfront, none of the ear tips fit well in my ears. I tried with the largest ear tip, even then it was not snug to my ears. And the main reason for that is more than the size of the ear tips, it is actually the design of the ear tip. Generally, all the ear tips fold back inside, but for this one it folds outside, and because of that, it fits loosely to the ear canals. But barring that, the overall comfort is really good. The flat back on the ear piston makes sure that it is not protruding outside my ear, and as a result it can be used while lying down turning on one side. Now let's talk about the most important thing, the sound quality, and let's start with the sound signature, which is really balanced. The vocals are really crisp, but at the same time it has a lot of range. So you can enjoy both high-pitched Indian classical as well as the deep voices in the western melodies. Now the highs are not really forward, but they come out to be really warm and clean. If you like acoustics, then this earphone will shine for you. But if you have a lot of percussion in your music choices, then this might not be as sparkling as the Sennheiser earphones. The bass is also very clear, especially in the upper bass, so you can tell between a beat of a drum or a strum of a bass guitar. However, it lacks the thump of the lower bass or the vibration in the lower bass. So if you are a bass head, you can understand this is not for you. Now one good thing about this earphone is you can pair it with a good equalizer to make it sound to your taste. Especially in the higher and the lower frequency, you can change it to simulate your choices, but in terms of the vocals, I think it is already at its threshold out of the box. Another good thing about this earphone is the sound stage. Now it is not a cheap trick that every other earphone under rupees 1000 does. The sound stage is real and so is the imaging, and it is so good that it can be compared with anything under rupees 2000. Now even though the sound signature is good and it has a great sound stage, but that's not the best part of this earphone. The best part of this earphone is the clarity, and the clarity that we get in this price in this earphone is mind-blowing. So there is this song called Pillow Talk from the band called Wild Child. Now when the song starts, there is a sound of firing of matchstick, and I can tell you that even the last crackle of that sound, you can hear it clearly, and same clarity can be found in all the music and all the audio that I have listened to with this earphone. The clarity is so good that I have used this earphone to edit my audio for the last two videos. So when it comes to the sound quality, this earphone is definitely a win. So does it do justice to its price? If you are talking about the build quality and the comfort and the design, I would say yes. Now if we are talking about the sound quality, I would say it punches above its price, especially in terms of the sound stage and the clarity. And as I said, if you pair it with a good quality EQ, it can be anyone's earphone. Just make sure you are not a bass head. Anyway, that will be all for this video. Do let me know in the comments if you want to see this compared with any other earphones. Until next time, this is Parth signing off for InfoPal, and I'll see you in the next video.